Welcome to Taxi Robo Tesla Daily Chart. Thursday morning. The event is this afternoon. We're sitting right on a trend line. Let me show you the options. People are buying the 240 puts. They bought 15,000 contracts. They bought the 235s, 19,000 contracts. They bought the 230 puts, 31,000 contracts. Shake that up in your little baker. So, they're way behind on Robotaxi. I know it. Other companies are much further advanced and they have regulatory approval. Musk does not. He can only talk about potential approval. We bought the $200 puts on buy now, pay later. Yeah, you heard me. Buy now, pay later, using somebody else's money. Sign up for the program. I'll be happy to help you under our services. Buy now, pay later. Click on it. On the home page, right here. Buy now, pay later. There's going to be a lot of October volatility. You finally get a chance to do power investing. If you believe it goes up, you invest. If you believe it goes down, you invest. So you don't lose. You got your choices. The program rules are there. Take the next appropriate action on buy now, pay later. Here we are. We're down $2 going into the Robotaxi event on Tesla. And we looked at the call side. They're buying 25,000 contracts of the 240s. They're basically doing a straddle on Tesla Robotaxi.